Hi, my name is Tad, I'm from TFix, and in this video I'm going to explain what is electronic waste, how to recycle it, and what actually happens when a recycling company collects your waste. So what is WEEE? WEEE, actually WEEE, is waste of electrical and electronic equipment. It includes old computers, printers, networking equipment, as well as like servers, and basically everything with a plug or a battery that is no longer useful. And why all of this matters? Well, electronic waste is one of the fastest growing streams of waste in the world, and it contains hazardous materials such as lead, mercury, and cadmium. However, it also contains valuable materials such as gold, silver, and copper, which we can use to remanufacture new electronic equipment. And if not correctly handled, all of these hazardous materials pollute our soil, air, and water. And if we don't extract the valuable materials from all of our electronic equipment that we made, it wastes our valuable resources. So in the UK, businesses legally have to correctly dispose waste. And ignoring these laws will lead to data breaches, environmental harm, and even serious penalties. Only GDPR-related breaches can be up to £17.5 million, or a 4% of global turnover. So it's serious business. Well, that's where we come in, TFix. We provide a secure, certified waste collection and data destruction services. We collect your unused electronics and we concentrate on actually reusing and repurposing it first, and then recycling it with 0% landfill policy. So we actually protect your data, your business, and our planet. That's it for today. Thank you.